Our solar system is an awe-inspiring place, a vast expanse filled with wonders that have fascinated humanity for centuries. It's filled with planets, moons, comets, and asteroids, all dancing around a central star we call the Sun. Each celestial body follows its own unique path, creating a cosmic ballet that has been ongoing for billions of years. From the scorching heat of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, to the icy depths of Neptune, the farthest, our solar system is a testament to the wonders of the universe. Each planet has its own story, its own mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about those twinkling points of light? Each one is a beacon of curiosity, inviting us to explore and understand the vastness of space. Some of them are planets, our neighbors in space. Mars, with its red hue, has long been a subject of fascination, while Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, holds many secrets beneath its swirling clouds. Others are distant stars, suns in their own right, perhaps with planets of their own. These stars are like distant relatives, part of the same galactic family, each with its own system of planets and celestial bodies. The sheer scale of the solar system is hard to grasp. It's a vast, almost incomprehensible expanse that stretches across billions of miles, with each planet orbiting at its own unique distance from the Sun. The distances are so vast that we measure them in astronomical units, or AU. 1 AU represents the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, a staggering 93 million miles. 1 AU is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, roughly 93 million miles. This unit helps us comprehend the immense distances between celestial bodies in our solar system. Join me as we embark on a journey through our cosmic neighborhood. We'll travel through the vast expanse of space, visiting each planet and learning about the unique characteristics that make them so fascinating. We'll explore the planets, comets, and asteroids that make our solar system so captivating. From the rocky surfaces of terrestrial planets to the icy bodies of the outer solar system, each has a story to tell. And at the heart of it all is the Sun, a massive ball of burning gas that provides the energy necessary for life on Earth. Its solar flares and winds shape the environment of the entire solar system. Beyond the planets, we find the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, regions filled with icy bodies and comets that occasionally make their way into the inner solar system, offering us glimpses of the early solar system's formation. Our journey through the solar system is just the beginning. Beyond lies the Milky Way galaxy, a vast collection of stars, planets, and cosmic phenomena that continue to inspire and challenge our understanding of the universe. Our solar system began as a swirling cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. Over millions of years, gravity pulled this material together. The center of the cloud grew hotter and denser, eventually igniting into our Sun. As the Sun formed, the remaining dust and gas began to clump together. These clumps grew larger over time, forming planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. This process of planet formation is thought to have taken millions of years. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, formed closer to the Sun. They are rocky planets with solid surfaces. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, formed farther away. They are gas giants, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Mercury, the smallest planet, is a scorched world with a cratered surface. It has a thin atmosphere and extreme temperature variations. Venus, often called Earth's twin, is shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere. Its surface is incredibly hot due to a runaway greenhouse effect. Earth, our home, is a unique planet teeming with life. It has liquid water on its surface, a breathable atmosphere, and a suitable temperature range for life to thrive. Mars, the red planet, is a cold, dusty world with a thin atmosphere. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had liquid water on its surface and could potentially harbor microbial life. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a gas giant with a swirling atmosphere of colorful clouds. It has a faint ring system and numerous moons, including the volcanic moon Io and the icy moon Europa. Saturn, known for its stunning rings, is another gas giant. Its rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock. Saturn also has numerous moons, including Titan, which has a dense atmosphere and methane lakes. Uranus, an ice giant, is tilted on its side, giving it extreme seasons. It has a faint ring system and several moons. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is another ice giant with a turbulent atmosphere. It has a faint ring system and several moons, including Triton, which has nitrogen geysers. Section 5. Celestial Wanderers, Comets. Comets are often called dirty snowballs because they are made up of ice, dust, and rock. These celestial objects are remnants from the early solar system, holding clues to its formation and evolution. They originate from the outer regions of our solar system in a region called the Kuiper Belt, and beyond, in the Oort cloud. The Kuiper Belt is a disc-shaped region of icy bodies, while the Oort cloud is a spherical shell of icy objects that surrounds the solar system. As a comet approaches the sun, it heats up. This process is known as sublimation, where the ice turns directly into gas without becoming liquid first. The ice and dust begin to vaporize, creating a glowing coma, a cloud of gas and dust, around the comet's nucleus. This coma can grow to be thousands of kilometers across, making the comet visible from Earth. The solar wind pushes this material into a tail that can stretch for millions of miles. There are actually two tails, a dust tail and an ion tail, each pushed by different forces. Comets have fascinated humans for centuries. Ancient civilizations often recorded their appearances, sometimes associating them with significant events or changes. They were often seen as omens, either good or bad. Some cultures believed comets heralded the birth of great leaders, while others saw them as harbingers of disaster. Today we study comets to learn more about the early solar system and the conditions that existed when the planets were forming. By analyzing the composition of comets, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the origins of water and organic molecules on Earth. Section 6. Halley's Comet, a regular visitor. Halley's Comet is perhaps the most famous comet. It is a periodic comet, meaning it returns to the inner solar system at regular intervals. Halley's Comet has an orbital period of about 76 years. The comet is named after Edmund Halley, who calculated its orbit in the 17th century. He correctly predicted its return in 1758, which occurred after his death. Halley's Comet has been observed by humans for centuries, with records dating back to ancient times. The last time Halley's Comet visited the inner solar system was in 1986. It will return in 2061, offering another opportunity to witness this celestial spectacle. Section 7. Hale-Bopp, a comet for the ages. Comet Hale-Bopp was one of the brightest comets of the 20th century. It was discovered in 1995 and was visible to the naked eye for a record 18 months. Hale-Bopp's exceptional brightness was due to its large nucleus and its relatively close approach to the Sun. The comet's tail stretched for millions of miles, creating a spectacular sight in the night sky. The appearance of Hale-Bopp generated considerable public interest in astronomy and comets. It served as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. Section 8. Asteroids, leftovers from the solar system's formation. Asteroids are rocky remnants from the early solar system. These celestial bodies are essentially the building blocks that never coalesced into planets. They offer a glimpse into the conditions and materials present during the solar system's formation over 4.6 billion years ago. They are much smaller than planets and are often irregularly shaped. This irregularity is due to their lack of sufficient gravity to pull themselves into a spherical shape. Some asteroids are just a few meters across, while others can be hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Most asteroids are located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This region is teeming with countless rocky bodies, each following its own orbit around the Sun. The gravitational influence of Jupiter plays a significant role in shaping the orbits and distribution of these asteroids. Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, is classified as a dwarf planet. Discovered in 1801, Ceres was the first asteroid to be identified and remains one of the most intriguing objects in our solar system. It is a spherical body with a diameter of about 590 miles. This makes Ceres large enough for its gravity to shape it into a round form. Unlike many smaller asteroids, Ceres is thought to contain water ice beneath its surface. This discovery has sparked interest in the possibility of past or even present subsurface oceans, which could have implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. Vesta, another large asteroid, is known for its bright surface. This brightness is due to the presence of basaltic rock indicating that Vesta has experienced volcanic activity in its past. It is thought to be the parent body of a group of meteorites that have landed on Earth. These meteorites provide valuable samples for scientists to study, offering clues about the early solar system. Asteroids can pose a threat to Earth if their orbits intersect with ours. These near-Earth objects are closely monitored because of the potential danger they represent. Scientists track near-Earth asteroids to identify potential impact hazards. By studying their trajectories, scientists can predict possible collisions and develop strategies to mitigate these threats, ensuring the safety of our planet. Section 9. The quest to explore continues. Our exploration of the solar system is far from over. Spacecraft continue to send back valuable data about the planets, moons, comets, and asteroids that share our cosmic neighborhood. We are learning more about the potential for life beyond Earth, the history of our solar system, and the vastness of the universe. Each new discovery sparks our curiosity and inspires us to keep exploring. The solar system is a place of wonder and mystery. As we continue to explore, we are sure to uncover even more secrets about our cosmic origins and our place in the universe. The journey of discovery has only just begun.